So welcome to my channel. This video is going to be going on one of my main channels, and it's also going to be going on a new YouTube channel that I'm starting. And this YouTube channel is going to be focusing around me starting my business. I'm hopefully going to be starting 2 businesses this year and maybe next year opening up. But this channel is going to be around like motivation, inspiring, creating businesses, going through my journey of creating a business with my friend and my boyfriend, just money-wise, just money-centered, life enrichment-centered, hopefully. Maybe a few challenges here and there. I don't know where I'm going to go with this, but hopefully it is what I desire it to be. So I want to start off my first video with how I manifested $500. So first off, I want to start with, I recently this year became interested in making passive income, and that meant that I needed to find some avenues on how to make extra money with not doing something every single day. Now, I know a lot of people may think that passive income means that you're not going to be doing much work or any work at all, but the reality is that you do work a lot to get passive income. It's just you'll be able to put the work in and then still make money when you're asleep. That's what everybody means by passive income. It does not mean that you are not working at all. So the avenue that I chose to start out with was stocks, and it was a huge scary jump into stocks because I had tried it before when I was younger. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what this chart was that I downloaded. I didn't know how to read it. I was just overwhelmed with all this information that I had no idea how to make connections to. So I stopped. So I wanted to get back up into that because I saw this video that said 15 things rich people do that poor people don't. And it struck a chord, and I wanted knowledge and I wanted wealth from that knowledge. So I decided to start with stocks, making money while I sleep, or just, investing and then getting money by just letting it sit there. Now, I did all the work, or as much work as I could start out with. I learned, I listened, I tried, and I was still scared. Even though I had a good amount of knowledge on getting started, I was scared to start. And I feel like that's where people kind of is their downfall when they're trying to do passive income or just creating revenue for their life or just starting something new. They're too scared. Even though they have the knowledge, they're too scared to put it into play because of the risk. But in life, you can't do anything without risk. I decided to just take the money that I had sitting and invest in one stock. I did my research, and even though I did my research, I didn't know if it was still going to be a good bet because it was still risky. But I had to tell myself, and this is where the story comes into play, that I am good enough. I know this. I've got this. You can do this. You will be successful. You will get money from this stock. A lot of investment people will tell you, no, don't do that. If you know nothing about this company, then you should not be investing. And there could be this whole storm in the comments about how she's gonna fail because she's relying on her inner being to choose stocks. The reality is that I did the research. I knew the company, but I was too scared to do it. I was too scared. I didn't believe in myself. I did not believe and create positive energy around myself that I would succeed in this stock. Please don't get me wrong. You have to do your work. You have to do the work. You will not be rewarded without doing the work. But you have to believe in yourself at the same time. If you don't believe in yourself, you cannot manifest positivity in a negative environment. I manifested this $500 by researching, finally believing in myself. I told myself over and over again, you will be successful. You will understand this knowledge. You will be successful. You will make money. I wasn't saying how much money. I was just hoping I would make money, and then from there, I could go beyond. I could reach the stars. I just have to get started. I told myself over and over again. Where did I learn this behavior? Originally was from my mom. My mom was so positive. She was into the whole bringing positivity into your life, and you will compute, you will output positive. You cannot get a positive life with positive outcomes with negative thoughts and negative actions. So I kept telling myself over and over and over again, you will be successful. You will learn this knowledge. You will understand this. Even when I could not understand what I was reading, I was telling myself, you will understand this. You do understand this. You are successful. And I do sometimes feel that I come from a place of when I talk to people that I already have that knowledge. Even though I may not know everything, I still speak as though I do, not with the ego, but with just, I am confident in myself. You are confident. You will get this money. You will get this money. And I successfully got $500 within, I know this video is going to be titled 24 hours, but I got it within 5 minutes, really. But that's really how the stock market goes. It can go up and it can go down. But the point of the video is to tell you that I could not manifest this money without being positive with myself. I could not manifest this money by not only, reading, learning, but to tell myself, you've got this. You have to do this because you are successful. You will get this money. You will understand. And I know that I'm repeating this, but anybody who comes to these videos or who lives by this type of lifestyle, where they are very positive about themselves, they know that you have to say these things over and over and over again until it is second nature. When I'm sitting down taking a test, I tell myself, you will pass. You will pass. I even find myself writing it over and over and over again on pieces of paper, where it's like a whole sheet of paper has been filled up with, you will pass, you will do this, you are this, you will be what you want to be, you will be successful. And I live by this every day, and that's how I've been able to overcome a childhood of being so mad at the world and so sad and just so negative about myself, which I might actually make a video on that one day. It's been a long time coming, and I'm wondering if I'm going to be comfortable. But I want you guys to know that, please, if you take nothing from this video, even if you give me crap about this is not how stocks work, take from this video that you won't get anywhere without being positive and taking that step. Take that step, be positive about the step that you took, because riches is there for you. And I can also tell you that I manifested not getting a ticket one time. I was telling myself, you did not get this ticket. You won't get a ticket. There is not a ticket on your car. I had been illegally parked for an hour, and I didn't realize it until I was walking back to my car, and the parking ticket guy rode by my car and did not give me a ticket. And I had been there for a whole hour. So positive reinforcements, positive thoughts. You will not get a positive life with negative thoughts. So I hope that this kind of helped, well, not helped, but showed you how my positive outlook on life has given me so much in return in a positive way as well. So let me know down below if you have any questions on it. I did get this video idea from my friend Nija. She manifested $900 in one day. So if you want to talk to her or see her video, I can suggest it down below. Her link will be down below because I did get this video idea. I didn't think about ever talking about it because, I don't know, I just thought, yay, I got $500, but I guess I would like to share this wealth with others who are looking for this type of stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. Please give this video a like. This does help my video reach other people. It helps me out, and it's free. Girls supporting girls, humans supporting humans, boys supporting girls. So also please subscribe. It helps my channel, this on my main channel, as well as this new channel that I'm making. Hi, hello, welcome. And I will hopefully talk to you guys later. Bye.